Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. We're going to do a quick video showing you guys this cool little mini recorder. When I say mini, this guy is tiny. As you can see, it fits into the palm of my hand. All of your little transport buttons, you're going to find them right here on the front. You know, your play, pause, fast forward, rewind, your stop, record, and also your menu controls you'll find right here in the front as well. Nice little screen on this guy. Now this has dual microphones built into it for your headphones and microphones. Those do come included in the pack. You also have the ability to lock this guy, which comes in really nice. You have a locking feature, quarter 20 on the back for mounting this. This comes with 128 gigs of internal storage, built-in speaker. The speaker is okay. It's not great. So, I mean, if you're really planning on playing back audio, I would say use a set of headphones. It does come with a set of headphones, as you guys can see here. These are going to mount right into your 3.5, no problem. As well as it comes with a lavalier mic. So if you're going to be recording yourself or maybe interviewing someone, you get a traditional little lavalier mic that comes with it. And you also get your USB-C to USB-A cable for charging it. And yes, of course, it does come with the manual in case you need a little bit of help getting started. Now, this guy is going to be ideal for obviously lectures, business meetings, things like that, where you need to be able to record them, in a push. Now, you can also use this for music playback, so you can store a lot of your music on here, for the gym and things like that. So that comes in handy. It has a rubberized texture to it. It is somewhat of a fingerprint magnet, but, overall, I don't think that's a detractor. I do like the form factor of this, with the built-in microphones, dual microphone array system on this is really nice. So if you guys are looking for a compact, travel-friendly, palm-size voice recorder with AI. Yes, this guy does have AI noise cancellation features built into it as well. So you can record in very high definition recording with this guy. It is voice activated. So if you wanted to set this up in a room in a lecture or something like that, and you wanted to start recording the minute that the lecturer starts to speak, that's going to come in handy as well. Okay, guys, so let's test the recording feature on this guy. Let's go ahead and hit record. All right, guys, as you can see now, it is recording. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm allowing it to record my voice. So let's position this where it would be able to pick up my voice a lot better. So in a nutshell, I think this is going to be an excellent little mini recorder for those doing lectures, going to business meetings, things like that. I think this is going to come in handy. I do like the fact that it has this really cool little animation. Let me show it to you guys here if I can. When you are recording it, you will see the movement of these meters letting you know what the level is of the audio that's coming into this guy, which is also really nice. So of course, when you're done with your recording, you can just press stop right here, and it's going to save it. Now let's see if we can play it back. All right, guys. See now it is recording. See that? And I'm allowing it to record my voice. So let's position this where we'll be able to pick up my voice a lot better. So in a nutshell, I think this is going to be an excellent little mini recorder for those doing lectures, going to business meetings, things like that. I think this is going to come in handy. I do like the fact that it has this really cool little animation. Let me show it to you guys here if I can. When you are recording it, you will see the movement of these meters letting you know what the level is of the audio that's coming into this guy, which is also really nice. All right, guys, so as you can see, it does record. The speaker, again, as I said before, is just okay. I would recommend connecting this to some headphones if you need to listen back to whatever it is that you've recorded. But for the quality of what you're going to get from this little guy, I think it's definitely worth giving this guy a look. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to show you guys this cool little palm-sized mini recorder. And hopefully, if you guys are looking for one in the market for one of these guys, this video has been helpful, giving you kind of a rundown on what you guys are going to receive in your box. All right, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.